Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make American cornbread. Let's start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of yellow cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 2 tablespoons of sugar for a hint of sweetness. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of baking powder to help it rise, and a half teaspoon of salt to balance the flavors. These dry ingredients form the perfect foundation for a delicious, easy-to-make cornbread. Next, we'll prepare the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of milk and 1 large egg until well combined. Then, melt 1/4 cup of unsalted butter and add it to the milk and egg mixture. Now, gently combine these wet ingredients with your dry mixture. Remember, stir until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough cornbread. A slightly lumpy batter is perfectly fine and expected. Now it's time to bake. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's heating, lightly grease an 8-inch cast iron skillet or a similar baking dish. Carefully pour your prepared cornbread batter evenly into the pan. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the top is beautifully golden brown. You can test for doneness by inserting a toothpick. It should come out clean. Once your cornbread is baked to perfection, let it cool in the pan for a few minutes before slicing. This allows it to set properly. You can then cut it into 8 generous portions, ready to be enjoyed. Serve it warm with a pat of butter, a drizzle of honey, or alongside your favorite hearty chili. This recipe consistently delivers a wonderfully moist and tender cornbread, a true American classic. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.